Hello, English learners, and welcome to Native English Corner. My name is Leo.
I'm Ava, and Leo and I are here today with a great lesson for you.
Yes, we are. Today, we're going to be talking about a restaurant. Ava, why don't you give us a little bit more details?
Well, we're talking about a situation in a restaurant, and two people are involved, the waiter and the customer, and I don't want to say any more.
Okay, don't say any more. Let's just listen to this dialogue, and we'll be back later to explain it. Good evening. My name is Fabio. I'll be your waiter for tonight. May I take your order?
No, I'm still working on it. This menu is not even in English. What's good here?
For you, ma'am, I would recommend spaghetti and meatballs.
Does it come with Coke and fries?
It comes with either soup or salad and a complimentary glass of wine, ma'am.
I'll go with the spaghetti and meatballs, salad, and the wine.
Excellent choice. Your order will be ready soon.
How soon is soon?
20 minutes?
You know what? I'll just go grab a burger across the street.
Oh, what a waiter. He is really angry at you, and I can't blame him. I would be angry too.
Yeah, so I think, Leo, you have chosen some interesting expressions for us here. What is the first one?
Well, the first one is, I'm still working on it. Example 1. I'm still working on it. Let's listen to some other examples on how you can use this.
Did you finish reading the magazine?
I'm still working on it.
Example 2. Did you fix my car?
I'm still working on it.
So you could say, I'm still working on it means I still need more time.
Fantastic. Great. Okay, it's clear. I have another one for you guys. It's a phrase commonly used. Coke and fries.
Coke and fries. It's a short way of saying Coca-Cola and French fries. So that's basically America's fast food.
Yeah, burger, Coke, and fries. Okay, what's next on the menu?
On the menu, we have a complimentary glass of wine.
Complimentary glass of wine. Complimentary means that it's free.
Free. Yes, we love that, huh? We definitely like free things.
Well, I have another one for us here, another interesting phrase. I'll go with.
I'll go with. So basically, it's another way of saying I'm choosing.
Yeah, I'll choose or I'll take. Very good.
All right, the next word that I want to take a look at is grab.
Grab. Now let's listen to some other examples of how we could use grab in different situations. Example 1. On your way home, can you grab some milk? Example 2. Wait for me, please. I need to grab my coat. Example 3. Let's grab a cup of coffee.
All right, well, I would understand that go grab means go get quickly.
All right, everyone, why the waiter doesn't like us.
Leo, why did this waiter get angry at me?
Well, you basically wasted the waiter's time. You're asking all these questions, and in the end, you just gets up and says, I'll just go grab a burger across the street. I think this was a nice, fancy restaurant, so I think we were in the wrong place.
Yeah, so how many times, Leo, tell me, do you really have fast food a week?
Fast food? Let's see. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Oh my God, no. I think I get fast food maybe once a week, once or twice a week.
All right, talking about fast food made me hungry, so I think I'm going to go grab something to eat myself.
Yeah, me too. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the lesson today, and remember that all of this vocabulary is useful for your everyday needs.
Yes, well, actually, here at Native English Corner, we focus on phrases and words that are high frequency, and that means that you can use them every day in your practical life.
Exactly, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more English learning videos. You can leave your questions and thoughts in the comments below. We're learning together, and I'm so glad you're here.
So thank you very much for listening.